ceremony of the Pali Tipitaka chanting here at the temple of Hương Dao Bhavana Vipassana Bhavana Meditation Center here in the Ludford Work. This is a very important occasion that we have joined today. The sutta that we just chanted this morning, the name of the Tutiya Sikkhitta Sutta. Tutiya Sikha Khatta Sutta. Tutiya Sikha Khattiya Sutta. So very difficult for you to pronounce in Pali language. Yeah, but okay, you try to do that. So the thing that you gain is the paramita that we call viriya paramita. You have to strive too much for to do something. Even it's very difficult, but you try to do that. Like read in Pali language, especially in Romanized alphabet, it's quite difficult. Even me, I read in Thai alphabet, but in Pali language. Pali language used in the time of the Buddha, 2,600 years ago. It's still alive here if we chant, if we talk, if we pronounce in our language, but use the Pali language, but use our alphabet. There's no problem. So in this sutta, talking about three things that we have to learn about. Ati Chitta Sikha, Ati Sila Sikha first, and Ati Chitta Sikha and Ati Panya Sikha. This is the way to train the mind, to train how to become a Buddhist and to reach the final goal in Buddhism. Ati Sila, Sila means rule and regulation or precepts. Normally we are the lay people, layman and laywoman. You take 5 precepts, right? 5 precepts: not to kill, not to steal, not to have sexual misconduct, not to tell lie, and not to take intoxicant drink and use drugs, use alcohol. These are 5 precepts, basic rule. And if you need more to learn more, to practice more, you can take 8 precepts as a nun. In Thailand also they wear white, but I don't know, in Vietnam maybe you have some they call Bhikkhuni or some nun, or according to Theravada Buddhism or Mahayana Buddhism, so it's quite different, little bit different, but the same purpose. So take 8 precepts, take 10 precepts as a novice, ordained in a monastery and live in as a monk. And if you practice more, if you need to practice more, and then you ordain as a monk. Theravada Buddhist monk, we take 227 rules, 227 precepts. And Bhikkhuni, according to the Vinaya, the Buddha led the rule and regulation for Bhikkhuni, 311, more than a monk. Okay. So this is the rule and regulation, and Ati Sin means that more and more, or the special. You have to leave the householder and live in the monastery and focus on the practice. But the Sila can control only 2 ways. Sila can control only body action, bodily action, and verbal action. in Kayakam and Vajikam in Pali. Kayakamma means that the bodily action. So from the precept number 1, not to kill, not to steal, not to commit sexual misconduct, and number 5, that's a bodily action, right? And number 4, verbal action, not to tell lie or speak in the harmful yourself or harmful other. This one make the 5 precepts can control only verbal and physical action. And what about mental action? Mental action has to go to the Ati Citta Sikha, number 2. Ati Citta Sikha means that control the mind, calm the mind, clear the mind. So means that this is the meditation. Meditation in Buddhism, there are 2 kinds of meditation. One is samatha, other one is vipassana, right? What is a samatha? Samatha means that how to control the mind, how to calm the mind. Actually, in Pali, talking about the technique or the technique how to calm the mind, they call Kammathan 40, the 40 techniques of how to calm the mind. Okay, and another one is some vipassana bhavana, means that to train the mind to get rid of greed, hatred, and delusion, and to see the thing as it really are, or see the thing as it really is, to see the ultimate truth.